आज की लेक्चर में सैम 4 के विद्यार्थियों का स्वागत है। मैं मंजू मिश्रा, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर ऑफ फिजिक्स, एसपीसी, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज अजमेर। आज सैम के विद्यार्थियों के लिए हमारा टॉपिक है डिराक होल थ्योरी। सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ नेगेटिव एनर्जी स्टेट्स, डिराक होल थ्योरी। Dirac relativistic equation admit of solution for which a particle has negative energy and negative rest mass. These solutions correspond to the negative square root of the classical energy equation. We have found that there are solutions with E is greater than 0, that is E plus is equals to plus under root mc square whole square c square p square, and E minimum is equals to mc square, and go up to infinity. Again, for negative energy state, E minus is minus under root mc square whole square plus c square p square. Negative energy E minus starts from minus mc square and goes to minus infinity. As shown in figure, Dirac concept of positive and negative energy state. The existence of negative energy state creates problem in the following manner. We know from Einstein A and B coefficient that a charged particle can emit radiation by two ways. First, spontaneous emission, and second is induced emission. In spontaneous emission, there could be emission without the presence of any external field. An electron by spontaneous emission can jump from a state of finite positive energy to the state of energy E, which tends to minus infinity. And for an electron which is just bound to an atom can emit radiation of energy mc 2mc square and jump down to the state E बराबर minus mc square. One in any of the negative energy state, it could go deep down to the state with E is equals to minus infinity, tends to minus infinity. Thus, the atom might have completely unstable. To get rid of this difficulty, Dirac postulates that all negative energy states are ordinarily occupied by the electron, and this sea of negative energy electron called the ground state or vacuum state, consisting of a state with energy minus mc square greater than E and greater than minus E, minus infinity, is completely full. In this case, the Pauli exclusion principle prevents transitions into such occupied state. The ground state then consists of a infinite density of negative energy electrons. The sea of negative energy electron is occupied to have no physically observable, that is electromagnetic or gravitational effect. ये देखिए फिगर ए, ई बराबर 0 आपको सेंटर में दिखाई दे रहा है। ई बराबर प्लस mc स्क्वायर से इन्फिनिटी तक एनर्जी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है। ई बराबर माइनस mc स्क्वायर से माइनस इन्फिनिटी तक भी आपको ये स्टेट बता रखी है। बी जो है फिगर आपको बता रखा है होल और फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन के बारे में। ई एच न्यू इज ग्रेटर देन 2mc स्क्वायर. What happened? We discuss it. Dirac positive and negative energy state are shown in figure A, and pair production event phenomena is in figure B. The state with positive energy mc square is lie between mc square and infinity represent all excited state in accordance of quantum theory. So one or two electron may be lifted from the sea of negative energy electrons by providing enough external energy and transfers to the positive energy state. ठीक है, सफिशेंट एक्सटर्नल एनर्जी देने पर इलेक्ट्रॉन जो हमारे पास नेगेटिव एनर्जी के अंदर है इलेक्ट्रॉन्स वो ट्रांसफर्स हो जाते हैं पॉजिटिव एनर्जी स्टेट के अंदर. फॉर एग्जांपल ए फोटोन ऑफ एनर्जी विच इज़ ग्रेटर देन 2 mc स्क्वायर on interact with negative C. What happen? Lift an electron having the energy E बराबर माइनस mc स्क्वायर to a vacuum positive energy state E बराबर mc स्क्वायर. By this process, the Dirac vacuum become Dirac vacuum with energy less than 0. -1 negative energy electron is equal to Dirac vacuum plus 1 positive energy electron. This result creation of a hole in vacuum Dirac vacuum. अगर वहाँ से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल रहा है तो वहाँ पर एक होल क्रिएट हो रहा है. ऑल्सो एन ऑब्जर्वेबल इलेक्ट्रॉन with positive energy. Since a neutral photon has created a hole plus positive energy electron, so the hole must have a positive charge as opposed to the negative charge of electron, opposite to the negative charge of electron. It is a concept of Dirac hole. धन्यवाद. नेक्स्ट टाइम अभी हम और डिराक इक्वेशन से रिलेटेड और चर्चा करेंगे.